Hey everybody, Josh here with another installment of Artpocalypse, Mentor Public Library's weekly arts and crafts video series. So for today's craft, I'm going to show you guys how to make an upcycled gift card or credit card earbud holder. If you're anything like me, your headphones probably look something like this, just a tangled web of wiring. So this is a neat little trick so that you can carry them around in your pocket and they won't get all tangled up and you spend an hour trying to get it undone. So what you're going to need is a hole punch, a pair of scissors, and an old gift card or a credit card. I'm using one of our library cards. Don't do this with your library card. You should come into the library and use it to get some free stuff. But we'll get started with this because this is an extra one. So all you're going to want to do, you're going to want to kind of make like you can use a marker to line it, but I'll just eyeball this. You cut like a sort of hourglass shape into the card, and it doesn't have to be symmetrical or anything. It's just kind of like a little indent so that the cord, when you wrap it up, doesn't just fall off the edges. Alright, so you're left with like this little bow tie. So then take your hole punch and then punch, if I can get this lined up right. Let me show you what I'm doing. You got two holes in this side. So punch one and two, like so. And then on the other side, punch one hole in the center. And then you take your scissors and you cut a straight line from the end of the card up to that hole you just punched on both sides. So for all three holes. And if you have a bigger hole punch, or if you want to use scissors to kind of make the holes where the earbuds themselves actually go, sometimes it's a little too small with just a standard size hole punch, but it should work either way. So let's try it out. So you stick your earbud in here and here, and then wrap up your cord. And there you go. And it's the perfect craft for reusing old gift cards so you don't have to throw them away. It's just one more piece of plastic in the landfills. Ideal for giving gifts and stuff like that. Re-gift it to the people who gave you the gift card.